Hello everyone, this is the video number 4 of the line-wise explanation series of the chapter Discovering Tut. Now in this particular video, we are going to get the CT scan and how they are doing it. A CT machine scanned the mummy head to toe, creating 1700 digital X-rays images in cross-section. Tut's head scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices to register its internal structures. Takes on array details, all the details in the resulting image. With Tut's entire body similarly recorded, a team of specialists in radiology, forensics and anatomy began to probe the secrets that the winged goddesses of a gilded burial shrine protected for so long. So now the specialists, they are saying that till now he was protected with the different kinds of goddesses, but now we are going to reveal everything. The night of the scan, workmen carried Tut from the tomb in his box like pallbearers. Pallbearers means those who are carrying the dead bodies after the death, right? Like pallbearers, they climbed a ramp and a flight of stairs into the shrilling sand outside. So now they are climbing the ramp, they are taking the tomb outside, then rose on a hydraulic lift into the trailer that held the scanner. 20 minutes later, two men emerged, sprinted for an office nearby. 20 minutes later, two men, they are coming and they are going to the office for something, and returned with a pair of white plastic fans. They returned with the white plastic fans. The $1 million scanner had quit because of sand in a cooler fan, and the scanner machine that stopped working. Curse of the Pharaoh, joked a guard nervously, and they are saying, joking nervously, that probably the Pharaoh, this king, is cursing us because we are disturbing his mummy. Eventually, the substitute fans worked well enough to finish the procedure, but the rest of the things that worked well in order to have the entire procedure successfully. After checking that no data had been lost, the technicians turned Tut over to the workman, who carried him back to his tomb. When all the things are done, the mummy was again taken back to the tomb. Less than 3 hours after he was removed from his coffin, the Pharaoh had again rested in peace where the funerary priests had laid him so long ago. Now again the mummy is in the same place as it was placed before so many times by the priests at the time of his death. Back in the trailer, the technician pulled up an astonishing images of Tut on a computer screen. Now they are trying to get the image, the 3D image in that particular computer screen. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels, and the technician spun and tilted it in every direction. Neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in an anatomy class. Neck vertebrae means the neck bone. It appeared as clearly as in the anatomy class. Other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage, and a transection of the skull. But for now, the pressure was off. Sitting back in his chair, Zahi Hawa smiled, visibly relieved that nothing had gone seriously wrong. I didn't sleep last night, not for a second. He said, I was so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. So after having this kind of things, the archaeologists, they are declaring the fact that nothing had gone seriously wrong, and he's saying that now I can go and I can sleep because I was very worried. By the time we left the trailer, descending metal stairs to the sandy ground, the wind had stopped, and when the entire procedure is done, the angry wind, as it is in the video number 1, the introduction video, I said the angry wind. Now the wind has stopped. The winter air lay cold and still like death itself. In this valley of the departed, and the air is so cold like death. Just above the entrance to Tut's tomb stood Orion, the constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris, the god of the afterlife, watching over the boy king. So now they are feeling that Osiris means the god after death, that was observing, means this is the god of the souls. Probably this Osiris, this god, is observing the entire procedure, that what is happening with the tomb, what is happening with the mummy, watching over the boy king. So in this way the chapter ends. So we got to know about different kind of data, we got to know about different kinds of historical facts, and the most important thing, that is about the king, right? So if we just summarize point wise the things that we got to know, very important things, that is about the king, about Howard Carter 1922, the 3 paragraphs, right? The video number 2, what kind of things he has done to the mummy, the different kinds of CT scan techniques, and his ancestors, the Amenhotep III, Amenhotep IV, Smenkhkare, and how he became a king. For 9 years he reigned the country, and his sudden death. But in this particular prose, in this particular chapter, the mystery is not resolved, that how he died, right? How he died. But in this chapter we got to know about this particular mummy. This was the first one on which the CT scan was applied, and the most famous mummy, the young king and the mummy, right? So 2005, as it is written here, 2005, and we got to know about the year 1922 by Howard Carter. Then again 1968, the another anatomy professor, he saw with the x-rays that the breastbone and the front rib cages are missing. After that, in 2005, now these Zai hours, they are applying the CT scan, and they are getting different kinds of data and the different kinds of things that is also associated with the tomb, with the mummy, right? So in this way the chapter ends. So please read the text again and again for the data and to solve the MCQ questions, right? Thank you.